Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this leaf. It's very easy, just follow the steps. Start with a chain 10. This is 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Skip one chain and work in the next one slip stitch. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. And the next 3 stitches work double crochet. So this is 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch work a half double crochet. In the next stitch work a single crochet, and in the next stitches work a slip stitch. This is 2 and this is 3. So we have in the last one, in the last stitch, 3 slip stitch. Turn the work and work in the other side of the work. In the next stitch work 1 single crochet, one in the next stitch 1 half double crochet, in the next stitch 3 stitches work 1 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, and 3. One half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the last one work a slip stitch. And that's it. Cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the ends. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you've learned something today. See you next time. Bye.